How to fix iPhone volume buttons not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can fix iPhone's volume buttons not working. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So if your volume buttons are not working on your iPhone, there can be several reasons. First can be a hardware related issue. The second, just few settings are off. So you can simply first clean out your button area on your iPhone. You can use a soft brush, or you can just get it to a service center and get it fixed. So if hardware is not really an issue, you can just go to your settings. Scroll down, you can find sounds and haptics on your settings, and right there under ringtones and alerts you can see an option that says change with toggle on change with buttons option. And after you've done that, you can simply come back here, try to use your volume buttons and see if it works or not. If it still does not work, you can try to force restart your iPhone. To do that, press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button and long press the side button until the Apple logo appears. Then your iPhone will restart. After the restart completes, try to use your volume button again. If it still does not work, you can go to your settings, go to General. On General, scroll down till you find Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and reset all of your settings by tapping on Reset All Settings. Doing that should fix your problem. If not, you might have to go to the nearest Apple store or Apple service store and get your buttons checked, and that will fix it. Thanks for watching. That's basically all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.